guys, welcome back to my channel. We're still in Mallorca and now I'm gonna show you around of our farm for the week. Actually, not only the week, because we canceled our flight back to London and we're gonna be here longer. So this is the area. Our flat is there. It's so calm. We have some horses that I'm gonna say hi to him later. And this place is incredible. Oh, Chris is talking to Juvenile. I always name animals. So his name is Juvenile now. Hi, Juvenile! Hi. Say hi to people. So here is a huge area. This is the main house, but nobody lives here. They rented this for big families, Airbnb. We have a pool as well. They have transportation, and this land is Juvenile land. Oh, he's following us. Hi. They're so cute. And here they have 3 pools. This one is a huge one. In front of our flat there is another one. And look, this is for big families. Look, so big, right? Papa? Papa? Oh, Papa. You can grab their eggs. Have to check if they have eggs. No. No eggs today. Bye, my friends. See you later. The thing that we can grab is this. Oh, I love it. Ooh, there's a bird there. Figs. Faz parte. Christian is talking about my wine spot. Well, I never had a wine spot in your shirt. That's okay. And see, this is huge. So much land. This is crazy. And because of coronavirus situation, we are here alone. Actually, now we have a neighbor. There is another guest in another flat, but he's leaving soon. And yeah, we're gonna be here, me and Christian only. The hosts, they don't live here, and it's different from Brazil, because in Brazil the farms, there are always people living in the farm, somebody that helps. Yeah, like that we say, like the caseiro. There's no caseiro here. There are only people that come here in the morning to do some work, but yeah, there's nobody during the night. Oh, it's creepy. And now we're gonna see the most beautiful creatures. They're so cute. You guys are cute. Yes. Ay, mama. Yeah. Oh, they're eating oranges.
Yeah. I like oranges, just like
You think so? See, we don't want to go there because we don't want to scare them.
Yeah, that's good. You want to do their own.
Yeah, they left. Hello. Good morning. Look, it's so cute. Yay. Good morning. Good morning. I don't know, look at this. Bye. Horses give me so much peace. Like they're so peaceful. I love horses. I wish I had a horse. I was talking to my mom, like, oh mom, I wish I had a horse. He's like, yeah, I am scared of animals. So I love horses, but I don't even touch them because I'm scared. I don't know why. Now we are back. Let's chill and enjoy a bit more the city. A good friend of mine recommended this place, Cuevas del Drach. He said it was one of the most beautiful places he'd ever seen in his life. So we came here to check. So today is not gonna be a beach day. Let's enjoy the caves. This is unbelievable. Oh my god. This is beautiful. I've never seen something like this in my life. Oh, so humid. The end. Wow, it's completely worth it. So beautiful. There is like a show downstairs in the bottom, but it was not allowed to record, so we didn't record. But it's worth it. It is. It's so beautiful. It's 15 euros per person. And now we are in Porto Cristo. It's very close to the caves. So we'll go for a walk here to get to know the place, the little town. So let's go. And now we came to have some lunch. Christian wanted some grilled fish and I wanted to. But look at this view. Amazing. So we ordered sea bass with garlic, fried garlic, some potatoes, and these vegetables. Wow, they taste so good. So this is how much we spent. This is the name of the restaurant. I highly recommend. It's so good. Everything was very nice, and this wine is very good. So now we are heading up to Formentor to check the lighthouse, and it's such a beautiful road. I'm gonna show you around. The road is very narrow. It's a bit creepy actually. Let's see the first stop. Wow. So let's show you where Formentor is. It's the northern tip of Mallorca. That's where the lighthouse is. And to end the night, Christian wants to have a sangria so bad. So that's why we're here. He said, this place has sangria, let's sit here and have a sangria. Sangria that Christian wanted so bad, 1 liter. And look at this view. Amazing. And like this, I'm gonna end the video. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and to like the video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.